Hey guys, welcome to Ultimate Gadget Soon. Today I am going to introduce a few of amazing smart gadgets in the world. Then let's go to the video. If you want to buy one of these gadgets, please look down the description box and click the link below.
Hi everyone, this one is an amazing smart USB adapter. You can fix it to your laptop and use it. You can connect your data connection cable and pen driver, chip readers and many other cables, USB cable, HDMI cables and many other cables connect in this adapter. It's very fast connecting and file transfer speed is very high. And especially thing is you can connect your PC to your laptop